Shiba Inu coin announced plan to reach $1, explained step by step. Some analysts predict SHIB could reach the $1 mark, while others remain skeptical about the future outlook. That is why we have always advised you guys to trust your instinct when it comes to crypto investment. In today's video, we'll be sharing with you the Shiba Inu's secret master plan to hit $1. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Shiba news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Hi Shiba Inu lovers, welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba Inu. If you're interested in everything around Shiba Inu, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Shiba Inu news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Shiba Inu will cost next week. As of the 27th of July, Shiba Inu price broke out of its consolidation phase as it rallied 12% today. This upthrust of buying pressure has also cleared a crucial ceiling that will be flipped to support after a retest. Therefore, investors need to watch out for a bounce from the said demand zone. Shiba Inu price tried breaching through a supply zone ranging from 625 millionths of a dollar to 654 millionths of a dollar on July 21st, but failed. This development led to a consolidation phase that lasted roughly 3 days. However, as of July 26th, Shiba Inu price saw a massive inflow of capital, which has pushed it up by 9.5% so far. A decisive 12-hour candlestick close above 654 millionths of a dollar will confirm the evolution of the supply zone into demand. Such a move will confirm the presence of buyers and hint at an ascent toward the subsequent resistance levels at 727 millionths of a dollar and 759 millionths of a dollar. In a highly bullish case, the buying pressure might even catapult the meme coin towards 811 millionths of a dollar, or the trading range's midpoint at 870 millionths of a dollar. This uptick would constitute a 26% climb from the current position, 686 millionths of a dollar. On the other hand, if the bulls fail to defend the coin from piercing the demand zone ranging from 625 millionths of a dollar to 654 millionths of a dollar, leading to a decisive 12-hour candlestick below the July 20th swing low at 555 millionths of a dollar, it will invalidate the optimistic narrative. Such a move might even trigger selling pressure, pushing Shiba Inu price down to the range low at 518 millionths of a dollar. Now let's get back to the topic. The number one secret master plan that will cause this asset to hit $1 is the ecosystem, and that's what we're going to explain in detail in this video. A Shiba Inu ecosystem included a Shiba Swap decentralized exchange and a decentralized SHIB army of fans and coin holders. This no longer makes it only a meme coin. The Shiba Swap exchange features 3 tokens, SHIB, Leash, and Bone. The white paper also hinted that token holders would be able to stake or add liquidity to the Shiba Swap pool and earn rewards based on their share of the pool. Both the tokens differ from SHIB in several factors, one of which is the supply limit. Leash has a supply limit of 100,000 tokens, while Bone's supply limit is 250 million tokens. The SHIB has a maximum supply of 1 quadrillion and currently has a circulation supply of 394.796 trillion. The Shiba Swap is yet another significant part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The good news is that the Shiba Swap is ready. The 3 tokens establish themselves through the Shiba Swap exchange. The major purpose of this is to create a safe environment for trading cryptocurrencies. They emphasize that their loyalties lay closely with the holders of the Shiba Inu tokens, and thus keep the system completely decentralized. The token burn. The developers took an unforeseen and unexpected decision when they locked up 50% of the SHIB token in Uniswap and gifted the remaining 50% to the Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin. This propelled the Shiba Inu token to gain tremendous traction soon after the minting of 1 quadrillion tokens. But as we all know, Vitalik Buterin has burned 90% of SHIB, sending a total 410 trillion SHIB tokens to an unusable and inaccessible wallet. But by effectively removing a large portion of coins from circulation forever, the price of the SHIB will rise sharply with the reduction in its total supply. This strategic move will eventually drive SHIB's price to explode tremendously, probably by the end of this year. Thanks to a solid team and its strong community support, the Shiba Inu project has everything needed to explode. The coin rose by more than 300% with Elon Musk's simple tweet that he is looking for a Shiba pop. Shiba Inu has drastic similarities with the Dogecoin, of which one is the likeness in their name emerged from a meme that features a Japanese Shiba Inu dog. but according to the developers, the coin is a new and improved version of Dogecoin. The Doge Killer thus aims to accelerate more decentralization in the crypto community. Eventually, the reduction of its total supply and ever-growing support will further push SHIB price higher to hit $1. When will the SHIB token hit $1? No one can say for sure when the SHIB token will hit $1. However, the Shiba Inu coin valuation will keep increasing if traders continue to invest Shiba tokens. SHIB still has a long way to go before they're worth 1 cent or $1. However, crypto is a volatile marketplace where huge swings in either direction can take place within a day. As such, it's hard to predict the future of any fledgling cryptocurrency with a high degree of accuracy. Market realists laid out the plan for how SHIB coin could reach the $1 benchmark, which has been a goal for Dogecoin supporters. SHIB coin would need to climb 12 million% to hit $1. Since January, the coin has jumped about 2 million% every month, so it could, in theory, hit $1 by the end of 2021 if it keeps up that growth, according to market realists. If Shiba maintains that level of growth, it could reach $1 in 2021. However, if it grows at the rate of 20% per month, it would require 5 years to hit the $1 milestone, which points to 2025 at the earliest, market realist reports. For the sake of comparison, it took Doge nearly a decade to reach a valuation of 1 cent. If the hype surrounding SHIB doesn't die down, it could reach the milestone in less time. In my own opinion, 2025. In another exciting news, Lucy Gazmararian, founder and managing partner of Token by Capital, said that while many people burst out of the mummification of money as a fad, the underlying forces at work could be enough to revolutionize finance. She said today, with the rise of cryptocurrencies, we are witnessing groups of anonymous individuals experimenting with the democratization of money itself, and the SHIB token embodies this new trend. What a lovely comment about the Shiba Inu token, guys. There's no doubt that this token has a passionate and recognized community. It's easy to dismiss the relevance of SHIB in the more extensive cryptocurrency complex. Still, it is interesting to note that the meme token ranks second behind only Bitcoin in the CoinMarketCap top 10 crypto assets with most price estimates. Our verdict. Guys, there's no doubt that Shiba Inu is the people's coin. Being a people's coin, though, means that we have holders from every background and every income level. The SHIB has just performed a mind-blowing performance in the past few months. For this reason, SHIB began to be the most talked about digital asset, and its presence was felt all over the crypto world. As of today, SHIB is still a new project compared to the other cryptocurrency in the crypto market. However, SHIB continues to develop its technology with its team of developers. We could never imagine, with the massive growth we are witnessing, no one would ever believe this coin was created in crypto space in August 2020. Instead, the meme cryptocurrency hails itself as one of the decentralized meme tokens that grew into a vibrant ecosystem. Along with its growth since issuance, the price of SHIB surged by almost 2,000% just in May, which would raise anyone's eyebrows, though the digital asset has seen a slight pullback since it reached its all-time high in May. Its increasing interest from Chinese investors, major exchange listing, and its limited supply would likely drive SHIB to explode tremendously soon. Investing rightly today can save you a whole lot of stress in the near future. The decision is left to you to make. We hope you guys are excited just as we are with this master plan, and let us know in your comment below. That's all for today. In the end, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Shiba Inu Coin.